Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Today's video is part 2 of the CESDeals. So we're going to go ahead and look at 2 more items in this bag. So we're just going to grab this box. And let's see, let's do this, this one. And then we'll do this one. We'll actually do 3 of them. Might as well. There's only 3 left. Okay, so let's put this one and this one aside. Let's take a look at this. So I decided to pick one of these up. I wanted to see how it looks once it's completed. I've got a craft show coming up pretty soon, so I wanted to see how well these would actually do in the craft show. So let's take a look at this and see how it is put together. I like the fact that it comes in a box. That's really nice. All right, so your toolkit: basic single placer, basic green tray, and some baggies. It looks like it's got a small plate of wax in there. And here are your drills. Now this is an ocean, of course, has to be an ocean, right? It is an ocean view. So you've got your lighthouse here, water is here, you've got some landscaping going on. So it'll be interesting to see how this turns out. Now, how does this work? Let me see here. Maybe if I pull this, I don't know if I want to do that though. I need a tool. Tool, where's the tool? Get in here. And I'll just use my tweezers and see if that'll pull it up. There we go. All right, so I'm assuming that this would actually go on this. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, so let's see if we can put the little light bulbs in. Okay, now I've never done one of these before, so I'm just kind of winging it. So let's see if I do it right. Let's see. Put these there. That would go there. And let's get this out. So I hope everyone is having a really good day, and also I hope you all had the chance to check out all of the creators that were involved in the Sparklathon. That was so much fun. I loved it. And unfortunately on Saturday I didn't get to see as many creators as I would have liked to. I ended up waking up with a severe migraine, so I was popping in and out watching some of the channels. I didn't really leave a lot of comments because my head was just, it felt like someone had a hammer in there and was just pounding my head. Oh, it was horrible. And I suffer from migraines, but I have a tendency of trying to not, take anything for them. Yesterday I had to. I just couldn't take it anymore. So let's put this in. Okay, so we've got 2. That one went in a lot easier than the other one. Oh, you got to go back in there, buddy. Got to go in there. I know. Such is life. You don't want to go in there, but too bad. All right, let's put this one in. And go like that. Oops. Oh, that wasn't good. Guess I was just a little too... There we go. And one more. These are kind of cool. I've seen a few of the unboxings for these and thought to myself, I don't know if I would want to do one of those, but I thought they had these on sale on CESDeals, so I thought, well, what the heck? And you know what? I'm going to have to replace these because it's going to be upside down. Shoot. I'm going to have to replace these. That was easy. Let's... There. And let's see if I can get these in better because they weren't going... There we go. Weren't going in all the way. There we go. There we go. Now, we want it like this. So... let's put this one up here. And my apologies if you can hear the dogs barking. They're outside playing, and as soon as the neighbors walk out of the house, oh, they're right at the fence jumping and having a little party out there. All right, there we go. There we go. There. And then you just put, oops, yeah, that's right. Hopefully that locks, oop, and I just pushed. Holy smokes. Oh, two of them came out. Okay. So I want to make sure that goes in right. There we go. All right, so that is what it'll look like. And let me see, I'm pretty sure I'll need to put batteries in here. What kind of batteries do these require? AA. Yeah. We'll have to see. I know I have some AA batteries, but I will I'll be working on this soon, and once I get this all together, I will put some batteries in there and show you what it looks like. But again, this is something that I've not done before, and yeah, it looks really nice. It's going to look really nice when it's done. So let's take a look at the drills quickly. Wow, lots of drills. Holy smokes. There's 15 colors on this. All right, so we have some AB whites and yellows, some reds. Looks like a hitchhiker's in there. Ooh, AB black. Ooh, that's pretty. And then we got some green crystals. There we go. Really pretty. There's some light greens. And then we've got some blues. Ooh, purple. Love purple. And we've got some clears. Light blue. Another light blue. Ooh, another light blue. And then this is more of a light mint green. Really pretty, 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 pretty. All right. So everyone, I will definitely show you how this turns out once it's completed. We're just going to put this one off to the side. And make sure I don't mix up everything as we go. And I'm going to put these in the box. know that those go with that. All right, let's take a look at this. This is exciting, and I will definitely be doing this one today. This is a clutch purse. It comes in a really nice heavy-duty plastic pouch. So you've got your basic toolkit, again, a single placer, a couple of baggies, and a nice size plate of wax, basic green tray. And this is going to be interesting. Feels pretty good. It's got a nice liner in there. It feels nice. I mean, obviously this is fake leather, but it feels pretty good. And the zipper works really well. So, oh, very tacky. Woo! Yeah. Okay. This is something I'm definitely going to try to do today. I want to see how this works out. Okay, let's take a look at the drills quickly. Oh. Have you ever had one of those days where a song is stuck in your head and you can't get rid of it? It just keeps going and going. Oh my gosh, I can't get AC/DC's TNT out of my head for some reason. I don't know why. All right, let's take a look at these drills. So you've got some really nice white or glass crystals, some aqua mint green crystals there, some blues, yellows, and you've got your iridescent pearls, some, I don't know what shape this is actually called, but yeah, a couple of more. This is a clear, and then you've got your, sorry about that, your I call these teardrop shapes. Really pretty colors, and as I said, I'm going to go ahead and work this up once I'm done with the video. So I'm just going to put that off to the side there. Definitely will be keeping this bag though. That's a good bag. And we're going to move that. All right, so we have this that's left over, and let's take a look. This is a painting. Oh, geez. Now this is the first time I've purchased from CESDeals. So I have not purchased a painting from them before. So I'm not sure what to expect as far as that is concerned. But this is a small painting. This is a classic snack, what everybody calls a snack. So I'm just gonna try to flatten it out a little bit, but it is a beautiful snow lion, and I'm looking forward to doing this. I don't know, for some reason I've got snow lions and leopards. Yeah, I've been ordering a lot of these lately. It's really pretty. It is a partial, it is not a full drill. I didn't know that, but that's okay. It comes in 5 colors. And let's see, and this is called the Tiger. So let's check how tacky this is. Okay, very tacky. It is poured glue. I'm going to try to see if this will help straighten it out a bit. Maybe, maybe not. Me and plastic do not get along. So I might have to do it a different way. Oh, no, it seems to be working. Okay. Oh, straightened it out a little bit, not a whole lot, but okay, that's going to drive me insane. I never thought that I had OCD until I started diamond painting. I don't know, have any of you found out that you were OCD once you started diamond painting? Because that drives me crazy. I cannot leave something like that. I don't know if that's OCD, but it is what it is, I guess. Okay, so we're going to try this one more time. I'm just going to bring this down and see if it will help get rid of some of those annoying wrinkles. There we go. There. Isn't that pretty? That is going to look really nice once it's done. So again, this comes with 5 colors. So let's take a look at these colors real quick. So we have white, we have a dark gray, and then we've got a nice dark mauve, really nice mauve color there, and this looks like 310. So, beautiful colors. Drills look pretty good. I don't see any dimples. I don't see any nubs. So the drills look really nice. And one thing I didn't show you, which I'm sure you've all seen, is your basic toolkit. So there you have it, everyone. That is my CESDeals haul, I guess mini haul you can call it. So there is the white tiger. Then we have the clutch purse. And in the first video, I showed you the passport cover. Then we have the light and also the journal. So that is my mini haul, and I will go over these items once I've complete them and do a full post review on all of them. I'm looking forward to doing that. So again, everyone, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate that. And if you didn't like the video, totally okay with that. But if you can go down below in the comments and let me know what you didn't like about the video, that way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. But don't forget to hit the bell, which is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So by saying that, everyone, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you for joining me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.